Hawkins for Chickenhawkfarmstead, and yes, I know I'm wearing a DeWalt shirt. That's not what we're here to talk about today. It's not DeWalt, but some Bauer. This little thing, I want to say it was right on 40. I'll put it over here. Harbor Freight. Usually I do an unboxing and a review. You know, first look is what I like to call them. Right when I get something. This thing I've actually had for a bit. I've been using it, and I wanted to make a video because I'm pretty impressed with this thing. So far, I bought a box of 1,000. That's all I got left. Is what's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more of these, and I will have been through 1,000. And I have not had a single jam in this thing. I've been using this to put up insulation. Right now, I'm putting some up on the ceiling, put up on the walls, and it's got this little piece here. Once you click that in, you can hear a little, and then I don't know if that's going to be strong enough. Let's turn it on. Well, I'm trying not to staple myself. Anyways, got a little on-off down here, and it is a USB micro for the charging port, which isn't the worst. USB-C, of course, everything's going to that. It'd be a lot better, but still, being that it's USB and it's not a freaking barrel connector, gotta love that. I've charged this up when I got it all the way up. Like I said, I've almost did 1,000 rounds, not very much shy of it, and that's on one charge. I already got rid of the packaging. We'll put over here. I can't remember how many it said it could do on one charge, but the fact that I'm over 500, to me, that's pretty dang good. These are the ones I got from Harbor Freight. They're 1/4 inch, so they are very small staples that I've been doing so far, just because that's what I needed and that's what I wanted for, like I said, the installation. And it's been working great, holding it in. I can sit there and just a lot easier. What I've been using, I was using one of these. Everybody knows this one and this one. These work great. Love this thing. And I mean, that thing will drive a staple. But, you know, I don't have the biggest hands ever. And trying to get that on there, and then you snatch it down, you got to open it all the way back up to reset it. And that can be a real pain when you're up on a ladder or scaffolding and sitting there and you're like, ugh, and just trying to, you get what I'm saying. Even this one's got a little bit, or cover grip. The range of motion's a lot shorter. Still not quite as easy as just holding this and so that thing works awesome. That's really all I got about it. Like I said, I've been standard, you know, 2x4s, 2x6s, stuff like that. Like I said, these are 1/4 inch staples, so they are very small. It may have some issues with some bigger ones. I don't know. I haven't got there yet. But as far as just that and reliability so far, longevity as far as like how long that battery lasts, and the fact they didn't give us a crappy barrel connector. You got your little on and off switch. Everything else is pretty standard, self-explanatory. Push that in, back, drops it down, load them in the front. Too easy. But that's it. Just want to make that video real quick because I'm finishing, well, working on more of the installation out here to get my little loft set up so I can get some more of these videos done. And we're gonna make it where it's nice and cool. Got a video of this coming soon. This little thing's awesome. But that's it. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Have a good one.